It's an educational video by Patanjali Rishikul Prayagraj, Class 4th, Subject EVS 1, Topic Resources of India.
Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are all geared up for your new chapter. We have already studied a little bit of portion from our new chapter. The name of our new chapter is Resources of India, and we have already studied about natural resources which we naturally get from the environment and how important they are. And there are two bifurcations: the exhaustible resources and the non-inexhaustible resources, right? And now it's time for us to study about the different types of forest. Why is forest important for us, and what are its various types, is what is present in this video. Let's see.
Types of forests found in India. India is a large, geographically diverse country where different types of forests are found, such as evergreen forests, deciduous forests, coniferous forests, and thorn and scrub forests. They are found in different regions and influence the life of people there in many ways. Evergreen forest. Evergreen forest looks green all through the year. Trees in evergreen forest do not shed all their leaves at the same time. The trees are very tall and have hard wood. In India, evergreen forests are dense forests found in the hot, wet region that receive heavy rainfall. Evergreen forests are found on the slopes of Western Ghat, such as Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. They are also present in the northeastern states, such as Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tripura, and West Bengal. They are also found in Andaman and Nicobar. Deciduous forests are called monsoon forests. Deciduous trees shed their leaves every year. Deciduous forests in India. They are found on the foothills of Himalayas in Deccan Plateau area, such as Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar. Deciduous forests have trees like teak, mahua, sal, and shisham. Coniferous forest. Coniferous forests are mostly found on the slopes of Himalayas. Tall, cone-shaped trees with needle-shaped leaves are found along the higher slopes of the mountains. These are known as coniferous forests. Their wood is soft. Trees like pine, deodar, spruce, and fir are found in coniferous forests. Thorny and scrub forests. Thorny and scrub forests are mostly found in and around the dry desert areas such as Gujarat, Rajasthan, parts of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and parts of Deccan Plateau. We mostly find bushes growing in such forests. Long roots, thick bark, and long sharp thorns are the property of thorny and scrub forest. Trees can survive with very little water also. In case of thorny and scrub forest, trees like babool, kikar, and date palms are found in thorny and scrub forests.